warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Fadila Eka Sari. As you can see from the title, today I'm gonna talking about a toxic relationship. My dear friend, knowing about a toxic relationship is a very important to choosing a partner of life, best friend or inner circle or co-workers. Why? Because if us in the toxic relationship, a negative moment outweighs than a positive moments. In the context of partner life relationship, someone who is caught in a toxic moment continuously feels unhappy, full of sadness, anger, anxiety, discomfort, and resignation when around a partner. People in a toxic relationship tend to stagnate. Their self-esteem is destroyed and they break up with themselves. They don't even know themselves anymore. Harassment or violence, even verbal or non-verbal violence, is a proof that the relationship is a toxic. Someone who is manipulative in a toxic relationship usually tries to gently and persistently kill your character. And they also over control how you should behave. Someone who is a manipulator is very hard to apologize. This has a huge impact on a mental health, as those in a toxic relationship can develop depression which can lead to suicide, which in Islam, suicide is a very forbidden or proscribed by Islamic law and gets a big sin. Rasulullah Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, which means from Jundub bin Abdullah he said, Rasulullah Shallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, there was a man before you who was injured. Then he complained, then he took a knife, then he cut his hand, then the blood didn't stop flowing until he died. Allah Azza wa Jalla said, my servant went before me against him. I forbade paradise from him. Narrated by Al-Bukhari radiyallahu anhu. So dear friends, it's a very important for us to avoid a toxic relationship by choosing the right life partner, friends at work and outside the office. So dear friend, that's it all for talking about a toxic relationship. May be useful for all of us. Wallahu musta'an. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.